So this is our Toro. For some odd reason, we're having an issue with it. I had to change the spindles because the spindles went bad finally. And we got new spindles, new blade even, and a new belt on it. Put a new, I think it was a new battery, right buddy? Or put a new battery on it. And it starts up, but it won't move. Go ahead and try to start it, buddy. And it dies just like that. For some odd reason, it keeps dying. And we don't know if it's anything here.
Been through it.
Yes, it has been. I checked the gear. Was it the transmission, I think? And I mean, there's no plug for it for us to check. None that I can find, at least. So I don't know.